Hello everyone. Okay, in this video, we will be working on adding input to the main hero so that you can use the controller or the keyboard to control the tank to move forward or rotate itself. So first of all, let's select the hero. Okay, then in the hero prefect, why we are not selecting the hero on the scene is because if you were to edit this, the prefect will not have any update. So it's best that you update the assets uh, instead of selecting the one on the game scene. So I'm going to add a component here. Make sure it's inside the prefect asset. Make sure this is the prefect assets. Next, then we will add the component. Go add a new script. This script we are going to call it hero. Okay. You can see there's a hero script being added in. So if I were to double click this, okay, before you start off, you must make sure that your preference and your external tool, you must make sure is Visual Studio Code. And if you have watched my earlier video on how to set up, there's one that is very important where it gives you all the code hint or the code completion. Okay, so let's take this one. Okay, let's double click this. This will open up a window, which is our Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so in this, you can see this is actually from the folder where our tank project is in. And now we are selecting the C# code for the hero. And in the update, what we'll be writing, we'll need two variables. First of all is a float. This float is to capture the input for horizontal. Okay, so I'm going to put uh, and then we'll use the input to get the axis horizontal. Okay, it's we have another one. Let's duplicate by Control D. Okay, we'll use this one to have a vertical. This will be a vertical control. Now with this, we can use the horizontal for rotation and use the vertical for moving, translating the tank. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use transform, translate, and the first one we'll put in the vertical, followed by 0 for y and 0 for z. And let's give it a try. Back here. Now if I were to press the keyboard, let's see whether it moved my tank. Oh, you can see it moved very fast. Oh, don't know go where already. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to change this. So we're going to change this one to move. Let's move this. See, the speed is very, very fast. So therefore, we will need to use it to multiply by the time, delta time, and also with a speed of maybe if 5.0 float. Let's try. Let's see a move set. Let's see work. Yeah, now you can see I can move forward and move backwards. Okay. Okay, next we're going to change the rotation when we press left and right. Okay, so go take this one. I go say F rotation in the Y. Let's try first. Then I go say transform, rotation, rotate, and we'll rotate the Y. So 0 followed by the Y rotation, and 0 for Z. And let's try. And the last one, I think we have to set it the space to be space world. Okay, the rotation is in the world. Let's take a look and try now. Let's play and see it rotates really fast. Oh, okay, so now I think I have to change the rotation a little bit. I have to make it multiply by 0.1 f. So let's see. Okay, I can see the rotation speed is a bit slow. Let's go back here and change this to maybe 3. So it's at 30%. Okay, okay, now that's not too bad. Oh, okay. Let's see where I can. Oh, it's a bumper car. All right, so now I have my tank ready to move. Okay, okay, so that's it. You can see in this set, what I have done is I use the rotation that I get from the axis, the horizontal axis. Then I use the vertical axis to get the movement. So with this, you must remember two things. Translate is to move, okay, so for movement, and this one is for rotation. And this is for my controller or keyboard. These are the few things. So if you want to make your code nicer, we can actually, I would suggest that we have a float. That is the have rotation speed 0.3 load, so that instead of having a number here that you have to search for in this later part, it will be easier. And this one will be the movement speed. It will be at the speed of 5. So we'll put this one here. Okay, so we change this, match this. Okay, so you can see this is our finalized part where we have two reference of this. Okay, first is the rotation speed, the other is the movement speed, so that it's very clear from this code. You know that you have two variables set for it. And at the end of this tutorial, you have a rotational vehicle. Okay, and you can move them around. Okay, that's it. Okay, so if you want to learn more, okay, I hope to see you in the next video.